Follow these steps to set up a Reddit ad campaign. Let's get started. First, go to ads.reddit.com and sign in with your Reddit account. Click Create Campaign to get started. Then you'll need to pick your goal: traffic if you want website clicks, conversions for sales, brand awareness to reach more people. Then set your daily budget. Start with $5 or $10 a day for testing. Now you can target the right audience. Subreddits like r/fitness for gym gear. Subreddits like r/fitness for gym gear. Interests like gaming or tech. Devices and locations to refine your reach. Choose an ad type: image or video ad for engagement. Text ad for direct CTAS. Carousel ad for multiple images. Write a catchy title. Redditors love humor and authenticity. Double check everything. Hit submit and track performance in Reddit Ads Manager. Test different ad creatives and tweak targeting for better results. And that's it. This way you are able to set up a Reddit ad campaign. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.